What is it? Who is after you?
Okay. My husband is drunk.
So what happened?
He came back drunk. I tried to go to him to apologize for what happened earlier today. He slapped me.
Izu slapped you?
As if that was not enough. He was chasing me around the compound. He chased me and chased me out of the house, and I ran to a particular spot just to rest. I saw him coming after me again. Carrying a big stone. Almost hit me with that big stone.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
I ran off. I didn't know what else to do. I had to come to you.
It's okay, it's okay, okay. Just pull yourself together, okay? Put your hand back there. You know, go. Just go.
Good morning.
I was on my way to your house. Is your brother around?
No, he's out.
So he has gone out this early?
Like we missed road because I was actually coming from your house. Jane?
Brother, can I see you?
Is anything the matter?
Brother.
Shut up your mouth. Jane, please, what is it?
I've been with you for the past 7 years. I have waited for you for the past 7 years. And all you could do is to dump me to marry a woman that has money.
No,
See?
Jane.
No. Don't ever come close to me.
Jane.
Jane! Jane! What's going on?
I don't know.
Tina, what? Tina! Tina, better come and explain to me. Tina!
Sir, honey. Come on, sir.
Come close. I don't feel like shouting this morning. Come.
Okay.
What is it?
Nothing.
Look, I want to apologize for what happened last night, okay?
Babe, it's okay. I have already forgiven you. Even before you asked.
Good. Well done. I want to ask you a serious question. One serious question like that.
Okay.
Is marriage by force? Amaka, I'm saying is marriage by force.
Isundu, I love you.
That is not the answer to my question. I said is marriage by force. I can't hear you. Say it.
It's not by force. Isundu, but I love you. I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Who is responsible for your pregnancy?
It's you, nice. It's your baby. You know I don't cheat on you. I've never cheated on you before.
You said marriage is not by force. I mean, that's what you just said this morning. You said marriage is not by force. Based on the fact that marriage is not by force, I am saying, go inside, pack your things, and get out of my house.
No. So now.
Please stand up, stand up.
No, I'm sorry.
Sorry for what?
If I've ever wronged you, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Forgive me. I just want to apologize for what I've done, things I'm yet to do, everything I've been doing. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Listen. Ekene is not married. He's there. Ekene is not married. He can even take you in today. Go, beg him to marry you. I can't do this.
Listen to my condition. He's begging you. Listen to... Okay, forgive me. Listen to... If I wronged you now, forgive me. Listen to... Please, I'm
telling you to pack your things. You're telling me, I love you.
Listen to...
You understand? I'm saying pack your things. Get out of your bag. I already packed up for you now. I'll pack for you. I love you. I'm tired. We can't live together. Go, pack. Get out. I am doing it. You want me to push you? Do you want me to push you? Do you want me to push you? Okay, then go. Pack your things. Love, I love you. I love you today. I love you tomorrow. I love you. Now, love, I go top. Please pack. Go. I don't want to come out here and meet you.
See, I never promised God that you will marry his son. He only pleaded with me to talk to you. And I told him that the choice of who to marry and who not to marry are solely yours. So what will get you
Papa, it's okay. Really, all these things don't matter. I mean, today is a beautiful day, a new day. It will be wrong for us to start up our day with what happened yesterday.
But the point is that I tried to raise the topic with your father. He just bluffed me.
I did not bluff you. I only told you that this is the time for us to support our daughter to settle down before we now push her into marriage. Or you will bluff it.
Papa, Mama, this marriage we are talking about is my marriage. And believe me, nobody will force me to marry who I don't want to marry.
Oh.
Yes. So whoever I decide to marry today will be my choice.
Mana, can't you why? Would you, if you were in love with Osaka or a papa in this community, would you marry the person?
Why would I even fall in love? What will bring me close to a papa? Talk more of falling in love with a papa. Mama. Is this why I traveled to Dubai? So gacha all the Asian countries, gacha all the Dians, Indonesia, Malaysia, Cambodia, Dubai, gacha bata, oburu a papa. Mama, please, come on. Mama, listen. These other girls who known at this village, these other village girls that have not crossed the border of this village, that don't even know where the city is, the nearest city is. They are getting married to men of substance, men of caliber. How much more me? I'm at Dubai. You want me to get married to a papa? How? Mama, how? With the kind of money I came back with. Man, no now. I'll marry a man that is worth me, a man befits me. A man that befits me. Abodi Amanda, opota efuyo okoro. I will marry a man from Obodo Ibo.
Anakukwa keba.
Can I see you briefly?
Is that why you want to hug me? I'll see you. Excuse me. I'm going. Let me know why he's
Please, leave me alone. Go and get married to your millionaire girlfriend.
Jane, please. See, I swear, okay? I swear I never had any discussion with Amanda. Look, it's that stupid girl, that idiot called Tina. She's the brain behind all this. Look, I promise you, okay? I will deal with her mercilessly. Please.
Marriage is not by force. Marriage is not by force. Just leave me alone.
Jane, please. Please, I beg you. Please. Don't allow Tina to separate us, please.
Tina is not doing anything, eh? That is how you want it to be like.
No. No, that's not how I want it. Okay? I love you. From the depth of my heart, I do. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. I promise you. I promise you, my love for you will never wither. Please.
Please keep your ring. Just keep your ring. I'm not interested. What?
Sweetheart, please. Please, don't do this to me. Please. I beg you.
Okay, fine. Let me ask you a question. Do you really love me?
Jane, I love you. Okay, from the depth of my heart, I do. I love you. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me.
I'll marry you on one condition.
Okay? Okay, go ahead. Tell me the condition. I promise you I will never disappoint you. I won't fail you. I swear.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright, fine. Go and get married to Amanda. I cannot wait for another 3 years. I can't do that.
Jane?
What?
How? Jane, how do you expect me to go and get married to someone I never loved? I don't love her. I don't love Amanda.
If you don't love her, marry her because of the money. Eh? Marry her because of the money and not for love.
Why are you doing this to me? Why? Why are you doing this to me?
If money is not important, why then are we getting married?
Alright. I will do it. I will do it since it's what you want. Please. Please promise me you'll wait for me. Please. Amaka.
Did you have any quarrel with your husband?
After you left yesterday, he didn't disturb me. I woke up this morning, I was sweeping the compound. He came out. And I greeted him. The next thing he said, Amaka, come. Come closer, I don't want to shout. That was how he put it. And I dropped the broom and I came. He apologized for what happened yesterday. And the next thing, he said I should go inside and pack my things and leave. And I felt he was joking. She just didn't run inside and I threw my things out.
So, he's on door. But did he beat you?
No, he didn't touch me.
It's okay. Hmm? You see, I believe Izondo is still under the influence of alcohol. I will speak with him, okay? And I believe everything will be fine.
Again, I don't know. I don't know why love is treating me like this. I don't know what wrong I have done. I don't know what I did wrong.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop. Dry your eyes, okay? I will talk to him. Izondo is my friend. My very close friend. I will talk to him and I believe everything will be fine. Okay?
That is so heavy.
It's okay. Hmm? Let's go inside. You know, go. Hmm? Let's go. Let me take your things into the laundry. Let's stand up. Let's go inside. Let's go. It's okay. It's okay. Let's take it easy. Why? I'll talk to you. Okay? Don't worry.
Why do you want to go back to the city?
My lady, it seems as if my services are no longer needed here.
Says who?
My lady, it is obvious. I mean, two masters cannot be on the same boat.
I thought we've talked about this. What is the problem again? Why are you bringing it up again?
See, that young man, Adaka, that man is irritating me. I don't like anything about him. And I might be forced to kill him.
To what? Pila, what did you say? You want to kill him? Do you know the implication of doing that? No. Do you know? Oh, you want to ostracize my family, right? That's what you want, because that's what they will do. And do you know what will happen to you? They will kill you, no matter where you run to. So if you think you're going to kill him and run away from this village, you lie.
God forbid.
Because diabolically, they will find you and kill you. So don't even think about it. What is wrong with you?
You can't do that.
Oh, God forbid. Then you find a way to coexist with this man. I'm tired of dealing with this issue.
My lady, that is the problem. Like I said, I don't like anything about that young man, Adaka. I don't like him. See, you have to allow me go back to the city. Else, I'll be forced to kill him.
You know what, Pila? Go in there and pack your things. You're leaving this moment and be fast about it.
Everyone is a suspect. Yeah, go and call your sister. Oh, you see that man? I never liked him. I never liked him. He's your queen. There's something about him that he always seems to be like an urban informant.
And another thing, he drinks a lot without getting intoxicated. Hey.
What are we talking about?
Pila, you can finish a bag of garri within 2 days.
Pila is leaving this house this morning.
That is good news, though. Because, what's his name? He can do the job alone.
Yes.
Aye.
He knows the job very well.
Adaka.
Papa, one more thing. Tell your friend Ebo Onuma that I am not interested.
And you, return his gallon to him. I don't want him coming into this compound for any reason at all.
He's now a suspect.
Of course he is. Hey, Chimo.
Listen, it would have been easier if you were not married.
But I'm not married now. I'm separated from my wife.
When?
Just this morning. I'm not married.
Bad woman is like cancer in the womb.
Please. Amaka is not bad like that.
Then why did you divorce her?
We are not compatible, that's all.
That's because she was bad. She was not good. 2 multiplied by 2 is what?
It's 4.
Okay. Can 3 multiplied by 3 and 3 plus 3 give you the same answer?
What is all this? What is this? It won't give you the same answer. What are you saying?
The world is full of mystery. Let's get started. Let's continue. How much are you going to pay me? Because nothing is free, even in Freetown.
Okay, now, I'll give you 10,000.
No, 10,000 is too poor.
Please now, I beg, let me give you 10.
No, go and look for another person. What are you saying?
But I know other people there. But I came to see you because I know you can't do it now. I beg.
10,000 cannot buy anything in the market. Are you trying to insult me or what? I don't understand. Listen, if you want us to do anything, I'm going to collect 20,000, and that's because I'm doing it because of you.
Let's make it 15.
I said no, 15,000 is too poor.
I beg now.
Are we selling pepper? What is this? Why are you pricing like this?
I beg, 15. Please. I beg now. Please.
Okay, where is the money? You don't have money and you're hiding it. You don't have money. I am sure that the one you are putting there is bigger than this one.
It's not true. They never reach. Who the 50? See this one. It never reached. Now, Sham. This one I'm for house now.
Are you sure it's complete?
It's complete. 15,000.
Okay. Listen. I have never done this kind of thing before. I am just doing it because of the friendship your late mom and my late mom had. That's why I'm doing it. I'm doing it because of you.
Thank you. Thank you. You are kind. Thank you very much.
You're
I
welcome.
appreciate it. So when should I come back?
Give me your phone.
Augustine, good morning.
Aha, good morning. Where are you going to?
I'm going somewhere.
Okay. Oh yeah, come in, let me drop you.
No.
Can't you see it's raining? Come in, let me drop you. You want to be beaten by rain?
Okay.
Come on, see, it's raining already, so come in. Hope you're okay. Are you sure? Don't you see it's raining? Eh? So, what about your friend, Susan?
Susan is not my friend.
Are you serious?
Yes.
But she once told me you guys are friends.
Who does not know that Susan is a big liar?
Can one be a good liar?
Yes. Susan is your girlfriend. She will teach you how to play Love Chinese game.
Which one is Love Chinese game?
You mean she has not taught you how to play Love Chinese game?
No.
That means you are missing.
So why don't you teach me?
No. I'm not available. You can Google it, Love Chinese game, in your Android phone. And it will appear.
You are sitting here with me. So what stopped you from teaching me?
Please, I don't want anybody that will break my head.
See here. Truth. I am now separated from Susan. So we are no longer friends again. You're free to teach me now, please.
Yes. I have to start going.
Is that how you want to live?
Yes.
morning, sir.
Oh, thank you, my daughter. Well, how are you?
My father said I should bring this out to you.
Well, I actually sent my daughter to go and pick it, but it seems she miswrote with you.
Oh, maybe. I have to be on my way, sir.
Just a minute, just a minute. Please, give this to your sister, eh?
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, give your friends. Yeah.
My lady, I'll be leaving now.
Ah.
You know your way out of the village, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Go well, eh?
Safe journey. Take care of yourself, huh?
Thank you.
Okay, good child, eh?
Okay.
Call me when you get to the city.
Yeah. Keep bouncing, keep bouncing. Keep bouncing. Just keep bouncing. I nearly in future.
See, Mama, I can now do my job as the chief security officer in this compound. Eh? It's better he goes. You know why they are calling me Adaka? Because even now than do that,
Ada or whatever you call yourself. What is that your name again?
Adaka.
You better be up and doing. Do your job very well. Because if you mess up, it will not take me anything to fire you. Do you understand?
Yes.
You won't even know you're fired.
Why
will she fire everybody possible?
Shut up.
Go to your post. I'm not here. You have the audacity to stand there now.
You trust me, that's why you employ me. Over! Position!
You look like a buffoon.
Adaka. What is it?
This is my house, for goodness sake. Why?
Papa, it seems you're unlucky today.
Oh, hold on. That is not the issue. The question is, why did you lock yourself in? Locking this for what?
Papa just left this house with anger. And I'm afraid if he comes back, he will beat me up.
Why?
Papa, Jane returned his engagement ring. And he went after her to play with her. I wish I hadn't discussed this thing with Jane.
Listen, what you did is what you felt was good for your brother. So do not blame yourself, eh?
Papa, I explained all these things to her. And she agreed to do it. All of a sudden, she just changed her mind. I don't know what happened.
Okay. Listen, what will be will be. What will be will be. Just get me something to eat first.
Honestly, I'm regretting discussing this thing with her. I'm regretting.
Listen. Like I said, what will be, eh? If you go to her and explain to her, she will understand. And God on our side, this disappointment will turn around to be a blessing. Eh? So I know that maybe one day or somehow, a man of less substance will come and take care of me. So don't worry about that, eh? God will tell me if I can leave. Look, my own house? No, let Pius come and kill you when I'm here. God will tell me if I can leave. Don't keep this thing for me. In my own house? Who is Pius? In my own house? Let him come and beat you. Let me see. On a congo.
Zuni, where do you think you're coming from?
I'm coming from somewhere. Is it a problem today?
Izundu, what transpired between you and your wife?
What are you saying? Wait, is that a rhetorical question? Because I know you know what happened. What is it?
Izundu, you promised from the initial stage that you will marry both of them. After all, our culture is not against polygamy.
And I said I will marry them. It didn't work out. It did not work out. No woman wants to share the man she loves with another woman. It's as simple as that.
Izundu, we say, listen. We have it all wrong, okay? Money is not everything. Izundu, you shouldn't have, because of money, abandoned the woman you love. A woman who's even carrying your baby.
Abi, if love now food, I don't die a job. My belly don't full. I no chop again. Look, it's about time I go in for the money. I beg.
Really?
Yes, I beg. That money I define.
Izundu!
I regret ever being part of this thing. I mean, they walk out of.
Tina. Listen. Sorry, thank your stars. Thank your stars that I reconciled with Jane today, else I would have dealt with you mercilessly.
Oh!
Now, in Apwala.
Thanks for the reconciliation. But is she in the project too? That is good.
Papa, so it is true. Papa, so it is true.
Listen, my son. Ejigo biam anyisi. Do you understand me? Ejigo biam anyisi. I'm in total support of your getting married to Amanda and Jane as well. Marry the two of them.
Papa, God forbid. Papa, I see for this development, your daughter here, who is not a millionaire, who can never be a millionaire for the rest of her life, she will never get married. You will remain unmarried for the rest of your life.
God forbid. Hey, come back here, let me tell you. Listen, first of all, my daughter is going to get married to a very wealthy man. And then, for you, our plan is that you marry Jane as your wife. And then marry Amanda as your family POS.
Papa.
POS. Yes! Come on, a round of applause for your father and your sister.
Well done, Papa. Well done, Papa.
Look at him. Don't mind him. We need the family POS here. On our concrete.
Yeah,
Adaka Kobo also Dimba. What is this thing you're talking about? Sizable rain boots and house on the rock.
Malia. See, sizable rain boots simply means elephantiasis of the two legs. And elephantiasis of the scrotum.
Oh, God forbid, Ajoya. Ajoya,
see, he should go and thank his gods that I am not as deadly as my late father. If not, he would have left this place with house on the rock.
Nah, because that one is not good at all.
Mama, one thing you don't know is that Ada has a chief security no.
I understand. That's why when they over that side.
Trust me.
Mama, Papa Vicker asked me to give this to my sister.
It's not genuine. It's not genuine.
He asked you to give this to your sister.
Yes, just a gift. There's nothing attached to it.
So you don't know the implication of this gift?
Mom, just a gift now.
Wait, show me. You don't know the implication of this gift. Tomorrow now, people will go about saying nasty things about your sister and this family. Take this thing and take it back. Simply look what?
Nanu come and face Ike. And from now, you're beginning to see that boy called Johnson. Yes. Or is it Splendid? And the man Splendid is a very dangerous boy in this community. Splendid,
let me follow her up.
Emma Splendid.
I'm Splendid.
Splendid
Onyala. Perima. Hi. Come, let me follow this girl up.
Come back here. You may look at me up, Splendid.
No, I'm a security officer. Chief security officer. I am different from Splendid.
Papa, you know there is nothing you cannot tell me. Things you cannot even discuss with my mother, you can discuss it with me because you know your secret is safe with me.
My daughter, in this part of the world, you know the implications of a family not having a male child.
Papa, I know. But it is not your fault. I mean, you should be grateful to God that you have 2 beautiful daughters. There are families who don't even have a girl child. Huh?
That is true. Now that fate has smiled on us, you travel to Dubai, where boutique, where Lotanudo. My daughter, but I suggest we go to the ministry in charge and adopt a child. A male child.
Adopt a child?
Yes, a male child.
Papa, for what?
See, my daughter, I know what you are saying, but you know we don't have many options.
Papa, we have a lot of options. In fact, I'm surprised at what you're saying. What brought up? Papa, this is an international call. Let me answer it. When I come back, I'll tell you those options.
Okay, my daughter.
Mama, welcome.
You have been crying.
I'm fine.
Please, get me a glass of water. Easy. Oh man. Yes.
Thank you. So, how did it go? Is he coming to pick me?
I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure yet. Amaka, don't start. Stop doing this to yourself. Amaka, stop. I'll handle this, okay? Remember, whatever goes up will surely come down. Let you. It's okay.
I won't cry again.
It's okay.
But at least, did he tell you what my offense was?
He didn't. But not to worry. We'll sort these things out, okay?
Okay.
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Mazen's house.
You are coming from Mazen's house. Where is the gallon?
My mother said I asked her younger sister to bring it.
I say, will you shut up? I said, shut up. You left here early this morning and you are just coming back. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Papa, why would I be ashamed of myself? Eh?
Madam?
Sir?
She rejected the gift.
No. My mother asked me to return it back to her.
Why?
Because she don't want your son to marry my sister.
It is just an ordinary gift. It has nothing to do with marriage.
No, it's not an ordinary meat. There is maggot inside the meat. There's maggot inside the meat. I don't know you're like this. What do you want to poison my sister? What do you want to poison my sister? Eh? What have I done to you? I don't know you're wicked like this. I don't know you're like this. Take your money.
Ngozi, let me explain. God, let me explain now.
Who are you talking to? Papa? Who are you talking to?
We have lost out.
You have lost out. How?
You see, I've always known that the beautiful ones are not yet born. So I suggest you move on with Suzanne. You know why? Because the devil you know is far better than the angel you don't know. You get?
My problem is that Suzanne is not picking my calls.
Then keep calling. Keep calling her till she pick your call. And again, there is no difference between Suzanne and Amara. Yes, but if I were you, I would go for Amanda.
Why?
You're asking why? Don't tell me you don't know or you have not heard that Amanda came back from Dubai. She came back with beautiful cars, plenty pounds and dollars.
Yes! Ekene said so.
And you doubted him?
No, I didn't doubt him. But personally, I don't believe a woman can take care of me.
See, are they not human beings? Whether man or woman, anybody can take care of each other. As I speak to you now, that is the latest update. Wish I'm not married. Wish I'm not married. I would have married Amanda. Straight!
Are you serious?
Of course! Of course!
I'm going to think about it.
Austin, listen, there is nothing to think about. And there is no time. Just go straight and propose to Amanda. In fact, go and marry Amanda.
No.
Marry Amanda and say bye-bye to poverty. It's very simple.
Otaka, what you don't know is that I love Suzanne so much. This would be a very hard decision to take.
Can you keep love aside? Yeah.
Otaka, you don't understand.
See,
Austin, you really don't understand.
Listen to me. Listen, Austin. It's hard time you started thinking well. Think. It's very simple.
Okay. I will think about it.
What you will think? Start now.
I will think about it.
See, when things get better, I will benefit from you. Do you like all these things we are doing here? If you're not tired, bro, I'm tired. I need a better life. Anyway, after that car,
the car is done now. See, okay, but the man is not here. Did he call you?
I've been seeing missed call.
See the car back there. He went towards that side.
I might take that.
Ave Bonyebe. Ave Ginoye.
Young man, do not blaspheme against the Blessed Virgin Mary.
Hey. Allow me to carry out my stop and search security operation before I will descend heavily on you. Money na goku. Ebo you get convert. Eh?
Yeah. Can't you see she's your reverend sister? Allow her pass.
See, I have the security information that Mr. Ebo Onoma is coming back into this compound in another form. So allow me.
Let Ebo Onoma come. We will deal with him. Sister, Ataban.
You have been granted the security.
She's even an American reverend sister. Nenu boot so you know. Come in, sister. Sister, come in. Sit.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, sister. Holy woman of God, what may I offer you?
Nothing. I'm okay.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay. Have I met you before? No, I don't think I have met you. Are you from St. John's Parish?
No. My name is Reverend Sister Joy. Okay. I am from Daughters of Mary Convent.
I see. You're welcome once again.
Thank you again.
So, how may I help you?
I have a message for your daughter.
Oh, really?
Yes. God says that I should tell your daughter she should not travel back to Dubai until after her wedding.
After her wedding?
Yes.
Sister, as we speak, my daughter doesn't have any suitor now.
That's not true. Her suitor was here. You chased him away.
No. The only person that was here was a village pauper. There's no way he can marry my daughter. How much?
God says that I should tell your daughter that her husband is Izundo.
Hey! Isogene! Sister,
I have delivered my message. Thank you. Abe.
Yeah! Adaka said it though. Adaka Bubayebu. No. This is not good at all. So, yeah. Oh.
Action.
How are you? When is your wedding coming up? It's your wedding, of course.
I didn't know you're the mechanic he went to get.
I was even saying that this is your house and this is your car.
Yes, this is the faulty one.
What is wrong with the car?
I don't know. It's just
English fault. English fault.
Hey. It didn't start. I tried starting it this morning. It didn't start.
I'm happy to see you.
Same here. You know, I didn't know you're still in this business.
What again will I do?
I'm so happy to see you.
What exactly happened to you this morning?
I don't know. Like I said, I tried starting it this morning and it didn't start.
Okay. You sure it's not the... wait. Okay. Can you try and start it now? Just start it now. Wait. Just enter first. Wait. If I say you start, you start. Okay, start it.
I said this. Augustine and Sons Nigerian Limited.
You're too good at what you do.
Why?
What did you do to it? What happened to it?
Well, This is our secret, this is our business.
Maybe this guy wanted us to.
Well, it's a coincidence, so. But I'm happy to see you.
I'm happy too.
After a long time.
Thank you. And you know what? I will have to host you in my house this morning. Come inside. Come, let me take care of you.
I would have loved to follow you, really. But before he came to call me, I was going somewhere. But you know now, I will not say no to you. I won't. Instead, I will come back. I promise I'll come back. Yeah?
Well, if you say so. Hey. But just know you're owing me a visit where I'll be hosting you.
I will come.
I'll be
would I come?
you. I'm serious.
I will come. I will come.
Thank you.
Hey.
Not just for today. Thank you for everything you did for me in the past. I really appreciate it. Let me get you something. Hold on.
Hey. My guy. I saw you sabi this work. Oh. She's my friend. Oh. You know me now. Far back. Hey. You will not understand. See, see, remember my call to agents. Very important. Very important. You're a professional. Just one kick. Boom. Hey.
Here. Thank you for a job well done.
Amanda.
Stop.
This is dollar.
Don't.
This is dollar.
Can you not be dramatic?
Hey. My hand has $12 today. $100.
Thank you for a job well done.
See you. This is not Nigerian money. See.
Yes, sir.
Hey. My hand has $12 today.
Congrats. My share, give me 500 naira.
Wait. I need to change.
Give me 500 naira. Make me pay more. Agent, let me call you.
Also, let me call you. Madam, you gonna change your money to naira or No, they do like this now. Okay, give me 500 naira. Maybe we share and make equal. Hey, let me call you. Let me call you. Me, you dey come. Hi. Let me pop up. What did this man do? I don't fit do. Me when they repair generator, I fit fix this thing. If I use hand, why take the repair generator? I fit fix am. Collect this money. Okay. Hey. Austin. Wait. Are you telling me that Amanda gave you $100?
She gave me $100 and even asked me to come and see her tomorrow. Wait, I hope you are not joking. No, I swear, what I'm telling you is true. I know it's hard for you to.
Let me ask you again. Was she your girlfriend before she traveled to Dubai?
No, but I used to give her money those days she was in the village before she left the village and go and live with Chief Alex in as housemaid. I used to give her money those days.
Remember 4 days? 4 days back, I was telling you to go for Amanda. You pretended as if you don't know whom she is.
I wasn't expecting anything from her. Nothing.
And she gave you $100.
Just a surprise.
$100.
Surprisingly.
Just like that.
I'm telling you, surprisingly.
Believe me, that girl is in love with you.
Hey, Ibiakwa.
Oh, that is true.
Ibiakwa.
That is true.
Ibiakwa. So you are still alive?
I know you want me dead, but I will not die. I will not die. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. You just abandoned my friend. It's unfair.
I did not abandon him. He abandoned me.
But he stopped picking his calls. He has been calling you, but you're not picking his call.
That's because I lost my phone. And I've been sick. So I didn't have the time to go and retrieve the number from the network provider.
It's okay. Sorry for that.
Just like that.
Okay. Let me come into this matter now. Relax. Calm down. Austin will take you out. I know what he can do. Odogu? I know what he can do.
Don't worry. Yes, I hear that.
Believe,
I'm gonna take you out, Today, I will treat you. I'll show you some treats.
In that case, you guys should continue. Maybe I'll
Oh, Takarima.
Oh, hurry up, let's go.
Look, you know whatever we did, it cannot continue, right? We can't be doing this. You know that.
Okay. So, in other ways, I should go back and tell Amanda that you are no longer interested, right?
No, I didn't say that. That's not what I said. I didn't say that.
Okay. Listen, as I work for you, I expect you to always work for me. You know what that means, right? I'm so surprised. How come you're so soft, but you're so strong inside? Like, so strong. Matarada is with you. Pretender. I know you're enjoying it. That's why you're holding me like that.